Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, and so that's where this red line here is coming from. And I bring that up because the red line definitely, once again, played a part in today's price action. And as I talked about in yesterday's video, the 30-cent mark, which is what that red line is denoting, is a level of resistance. And this morning, you can see that the price had a pretty rough morning, but then started to bounce, and then surprise, surprise, you can see right where the price ultimately found resistance. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the price can never, ever break up above 30 cents. I'm just saying it does make sense why the price did ultimately run out of steam, run out of energy right there at that 30-cent mark. So case in point, going forward, 30 cents has been confirmed as that key level of resistance. So that's kind of like public enemy number one, going into essentially the remainder of the week. Now, what about areas of support? The price did pull back some more today. So where are some levels to keep an eye on from a support perspective? So as far as where this price could potentially be headed, let's try that again. Next key area of support, which it didn't quite hit today, right down there at 20 cents. So 20 cents is going to be that next level where the price does continue to pull back further. Definitely, I'm still not going to call it a must hold because you do have the long-term moving average, which is that famous 200 period, which is denoted by the pink line there. So as you can see right now where the closing price is, not anywhere close to the pink line. But yeah, 20 cents, you really don't want to see the price falling below there if the price even goes down there. But still, like I said, no, I'm not going to call 20 cents the must hold level because technically speaking, from the broad sense, the price is still up above that pink line there. So as it stands right now, two key primary levels going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. Key level of resistance at 30 cents and that next key level of support down there at 20 cents. So we'll see how the remainder of this week unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.